first loop we're going to talk about are while loops. And the idea is that you're going to do something while some condition is true. Okay, so it'll be while some condition is true. Then you're going to do something. Okay? Sorry. That's the general syntax. Okay, we're going to comment it out so it doesn't give any issues, but remember that. While some condition is true, we're going to do something. Okay? So let's say we want to print all the numbers and including 1 and 100. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want to go through and say print 1, print 2, and then you go all the way down until you say print 100, right? So there's an easy way to do this using while loops. We're going to first say output equals 1, and then while output is less than or equal to 100, you're going to print output, and then we'll increase it. Sorry about that. Equals output plus 1. Okay? So what this is going to do is first output is 1. It's going to print out 1, and then it's going to increase it by 1. So it'll be 2. Okay? And then once it hits the end of this, it's going to go back up to the top of the while loop. So it'll be output, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and then it's going to go back up and print 2. It's going to redefine output as 2 plus 1, which will be 3. And then it'll go back up, print out 3, and keep on doing that until this condition is false. Okay? And when that condition is false, that means output will be 101. It's going to stop. Okay? So if we're to run this, that's what it does, right? We go all the way to the top. It printed 1, right? Because output was 1, and then it keeps on doing it until it's no longer true, which means that it's greater than 100, so it'll stop printing, okay? So that's the first introduction to loops, and the second one we'll go to is for loops.